Hi everyone and welcome back to Titi's Garden. Today I'll be showing you how to grow scent leaf, that is Efinrin, from seed. These are my seed. You can see them. The seed are very tiny in there. You can see these are the shaft, but inside each of the shaft you have the seed, and I'll be able to save this, and this is what I'll be planting today. So I normally start in a big cup. I put as many seed as possible because this sometimes the seed will grow, sometimes it will not grow, but luckily for me this time around I had a lot of germination, as you can see here, and this is about 5 to 7 days for it to germinate. Once it germinates, I need to then move them into a bigger container. I left this furthermore to grow more. At this stage, it's good to transplant. If it's too tiny, you can still leave it for a while. So the transplant has been done and individual cups are doing so well. Even the one in the big cup is also doing well. And it's good now to be transplanted outside, and make sure you transplant after the last frost. They do not like cold. If you plant it too early, they might dry off and die. So here we are, I've transplanted and they are doing so well. This is about 3 months now. From seed to outside is about 3 months in whole, and you can see how well they're doing. So many leaves. And the good thing about things, once you start picking off the leaves, you see them multiply. You can see everywhere is full with scent leaf now. At this stage, you can see they started bringing out seed. From this seed, you'll be able to save for the next planting season. And do you know, Saint leaf has a lot of benefits. Just check this out. Here we are, harvested. You can also preserve them. Just put in a ziploc, or you can dry them off. That's all about it. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. And remember to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you so much.